YouTube, I love these days because these are the days a random package gets to my house and we get to look at what's inside and unbox it. This particular package is coming from Gamma. Gamma's always showing love and sending packages out to barbers. I don't know how they choose who they send them to, but I know that they always appreciate some nice feedback. Let's open this bad boy up. I'm gonna use my handy dandy old shears that still cut better than a razor, but don't cut hair as good. And I dropped them so they're not worth resharpening from Shear Whisperer. Shout out to her. You guys ready? Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Nope, that didn't work out well. There's other flaps there. Ooh. Alright, you guys ready? We have, is this a cape? Yeah, it's a cutting cape. Nice, I'll use this for traveling. We got a cutting cape. We got the Proto J's on there. X Ergos. Okay, Austin. I'll see you, player. Okay, Style Crafting Gamma. This letter, I will put it here for you guys, but let me read it. Gamma fam, we can't stop, won't stop, forever improving, and we have a feeling you are the same way. Enclosed, for your cutting pleasure is our new Alpha 2.0 clipper with the following: Fusion Fix blade assembled. Even if you're not an alpha guy, slap this on your ergo. This blade is a hybrid of a fade blade. That's what I love about Austin and the Gamma Stylecraft team. He said, even if you're not an alpha fan, slap this on your ergo. He don't care if you like or don't like that particular tool. Still wants to get your feedback. I really do love the ergos. The alphas have always been the okay one, right? Let's see what this 2.0, and I think that's why he has a 2.0 coming out, Gamma and Stylecraft, because they're smart. They listen and they improve, so the Alpha 2.0 is coming out. All right. This blade is a hybrid of a fade blade and a taper blade, and a game changer. Stretch bracket included. Swap on this bracket to be able to extend your taper to a full number 1. Use a floating non-click taper to enjoy the stretch bracket. Faster motor, because why the hell not? For the new Evo 2.0, it also has more powerful motor and now comes with the ultimate blade assembled. Ultimate blade is meant for the sharpest line, so if the blade is too sharp, please use our standard trimmer fixed blade. Stay faded, Austin. All right, let's see what else he sent me. Sent your boy, what is this, a smock? This is the new Evo 2.0. Okay, we will unbox this. What is this? Barber mat, organizing mat. Austin, you know I love you, bro, but I ain't using this. I got my own mat. Maybe I'll put it to the side. Maybe I'll use it on the corner of my station. This is cool nonetheless. Let's unbox this and show you guys what it looks like as well. Clipper grips from Clipper Grips. That's dope. Thank you, Austin. And the new Alpha 2.0s. I will be trying these out. We can unbox those as well and see if there's anything new there. And then this is S-Craft's favorite brush. I'm probably gonna pass this on to S-Craft because he loves this brush. He'll steal them from me, even if I don't give them to him. Let's go to the unboxing station. Ooh, the setup is crazy. All right, let's check out this mat it's talking about. Oh yeah, I've seen this mat before. Nice little mat. I ain't mad at it. Nice little mat. All right, let's check out the new Evo 2.0. I want that X Ergo, bro. But this is a better ergo. Ooh, look at the blade on this thing. I don't know if you guys can see it. Look at that blade. I'm gonna show it to you guys on this camera. Dang. Looks like it could be adjusted a bit closer. I don't know if you guys can see. Maybe a tad bit closer. I like that it has this cover here, the blue cover. I like that it came in blue. This is nice. He says they're more powerful. Let's see. The ergo stay improve. My dog Austin stay improving his clippers. All right, these are dope. I like them. I think I gotta adjust them a little bit closer, but these are nice. Okay, Austin, I'll see you, bro. Let's go back to the unboxing station. Whoosh. Let's see if it comes with anything new inside. There's the old blade. I do like this blade better than this blade. He's got more covers here, more lids, charger, obviously the screwdriver. I'm gonna need that to adjust. I love that it comes with more blades. All right, putting those back. Definitely gonna use those in the shop. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these and bald out with them and see how they compare to the first ones he sent me. Okay, and now let's look at these Gamma Alphas. Back to the unboxing station. That is my own sound effect I am making. I personally don't like the really shiny, especially with all my lights and stuff. But I do have other covers that he sent me, so I will use other covers instead. See what blade comes on it? Ah, that blade is different. Gamma Fusion blade. I'm gonna be honest with you. This blade reminds me of the Masters. Reminds me of the Masters just a little bit. Austin, is it me or is the plastic on these a better quality now? Especially this, like the material is really nice here in the back. Feels like it has some grip to it. It's got the taper blade. You really did improve these clippers, man. Let's turn them on. They feel more powerful. They feel more powerful, but will they cut more powerful? That is the question. They definitely sound better. There was one pair that I got that almost sounded like it was kind of like bogged down. These don't have that sound. All right, we're gonna see though. Can you focus on? There it is. This part right here feels nice. It has like a nice little grip texture to it. Let's see what else it came with inside the box. All right, so there's a different cutting blade. I wonder why it came with this cutting blade instead of this one. Like, this is a thinner looking cutting blade. Maybe that cuts better. I'm thinking that's what it is. This blade is finer, it's thinner, and it cuts better. Could be wrong. Austin usually will text me after and let me know if I was wrong or right. And then I gotta right my wrongs later. All right, let's see what else is in this box. Got your guards. Here we go. You got the stretch taper, very cool. And then you got different taper arms. So you can make it like a smooth taper, or you can keep it clicky. I think this chrome one is the smooth taper because it doesn't have that extra piece right there. Very smart. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. All right, you can see the taper arm. This is the stretch taper arm, which will allow you to open it up more if that's something you prefer. So you can see the difference in these arms is one has that little piece right there. Do you guys see that? Okay, that's what causes the click. One does not. Therefore, this one will not click. This one will not click. They understand that everybody has their preferences. You can't make everyone happy with the same one setup. So you got to give people options to make that clipper their clipper, right? Pretty cool. Can't wait to use it once I get into the shop again. Right now I'm on vacation. I'm taking my kids to a resort in Orlando because we didn't do anything for spring break because I was so busy. So I gotta make it up to them, and that's what we're doing this weekend. I got a video for you guys dropping every day still. We missed, I think, one day in the last year or so, but we've still done, I think it's been like 170 days now where we've dropped 170 videos. And when I did miss the day, it was the same day somewhere else, okay? In some other time zone, it was still the same day. So it should still count. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do a giveaway. I got these Stylecraft Unos, beautiful Stylecraft Unos, which are my favorite single foil shavers right now. They got that lithium ion battery installed already in it. And what I think I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna give these away. Now, in order to enter the giveaway, you have to be following my new Instagram, Bossio45. You gotta be following my new Instagram, Bossio45, and you gotta comment below in this video, followed, and then put your Instagram or your email, some way that I can reach you. Put that information in, and then make sure you put followed, and then your email or your Instagram. I prefer your Instagram, that way I could just DM you. And then you have to be following my new Instagram page because my old one got hacked at 106,000 followers, unfortunately. So as long as you're doing that, followed Instagram, comment below, followed with some way to reach you, preferably your Instagram, and you will be entered to win this Stylecraft Uno shaver. With that being said, guys, I drop daily content. I will see y'all tomorrow.